Phase of an alternating quantity is mean the fraction of time period of that alternating quantity which has elapsed since the alternating quantity last passed through the zero position of reference. Consider the waveform of alternating quantity as shown in figure. Time period of the alternating quantity is t. Time required to reach the alternating quantity at point A from its zero position of reference is t by 4 seconds. So t by 4 seconds is the phase of alternating quantity at point A, or in terms of angle it is pi by 2 radian. Phase difference. Consider the waveform of three alternating voltage EA, EB and EC as shown in figure. The value of induced EMF of the three alternating voltage are same, but there is one important difference. They do not reach their maximum or zero value simultaneously, but one after another. The waveform of alternating voltage EB are displaced from waveform of alternating voltage EA by an angle phi, and waveform of alternating voltage EA are displaced from waveform of alternating voltage EC by an angle phi. So phase difference between alternating voltage EA and EB is phi, and phase difference between alternating voltage EA and EC is also phi. So it does not give indication as to which EMF reaches its maximum value first. So for that we use the term lead or lag. A leading alternating quantity is one which reaches its maximum or zero value earlier as compared to other quantity. Similarly, a lagging alternating quantity is which reaches its maximum or zero value later than the other quantity. Here, waveform of alternating voltage EB reaches its maximum value later than the waveform of alternating voltage EA. So we can say that waveform of alternating voltage EB lag the alternating voltage EA by an angle phi, because phase difference between EA and EB is phi. Or in other words, waveform of alternating voltage EA lead the alternating voltage EB by an angle phi. Similarly, waveform of alternating voltage EC reaches its maximum value earlier than the waveform of alternating voltage EA, and phase difference between EA and EC is phi. So we can see that alternating voltage EC lead the alternating voltage EA by an angle phi, or in other words, alternating voltage EA lag the alternating voltage EC by an angle phi. Here phase difference between EC and EB is twice phi, and waveform of alternating voltage EC reaches its maximum value earlier than the waveform of alternating voltage EB. So we can say that EC lead the EB by an angle twice phi, or EB lag the EC by an angle twice phi. So this is about the phase difference of alternating quantity.